All right, so this is how you're gonna set up your own research agent using BigBonda in under 3 minutes. All right, let's get started. So the first step is to sign up for an account in BigBonda. So you just get started and you're just going to enter details and let's go. Now we have the details, so we're just going to create an account. So once you get the email, you just click on the link and you should be redirected to your dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, we have different agent endpoints. So for this video, we are going with the LinkedIn research agent. So just come here into the dashboard and we just download the template. So once the download is finished, we just come back to N8N and we create a new workflow from scratch. Once you're in your new workflow, you just come here, click on the 3 dots and import from file and choose the file that we just downloaded from BigBonda. So this is the file that we downloaded. We just open the chat, and for this video I will be giving my LinkedIn URL to the agent to see. Let's see what it brings. And this is my LinkedIn and just give it to the agent. So it asks if we want to unpin and test, so we're just going to unpin and send it. All right, we created a job and now we wait. So the workflow is ready and you don't have to configure any API keys. The workflow is good to go. It's already configured with your API keys, so you can just start using it right away. So let's see what the agent has brought back about me. It has my name, my profile summary, my snapshot and my bio and my recent posts that someone could use to personalize emails, and my relevant experiences and insights for personalization. And if you want to do an outreach, you could personalize using this data and also the sources that it used for bringing back this report. So this is how you set up a research agent with BigBonda in under 3 minutes.